Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales. So today we will be unboxing Vanity Cask for the month of January. It is a luxury beauty subscription priced at $9.99 and the January edition is called the New You edition, which contains face and body care products. And on top of that, there is also a free gift from a luxury brand worth $3,910. So right after unboxing the January edition, we'll discuss what the gift is. So this is how the courier packaging reached me. Shipping was pretty quick and safe. And once I opened the packaging, I have the Vanity Cask box and the free gift that I was talking about, the luxury gift. And once I opened the box, the typical Vanity Cask classy black box is bubble wrapped and kept. So let's open up and see what we have in the January edition of Vanity Cask. I have Vanity Cask for the month of January. So let's open up and see. The box, well, before that, in the box, it's very beautiful. The table and all the cosmetics on top of that, a very classy box, something that makes a perfect gift, and it reached me in perfect condition also. It has a magnetic lock. So let's open up. First we have is this card. It's basically a pamphlet that talks about the curator's story and why each product has been picked, and then some referral offers and about each product and how they came to this conclusion of choosing the products, everything. So that's pretty interesting. We'll come back to that later. So the packaging of Vanity Cask is very special. We have all the products in this silk potli kind of material bag, and then one product that doesn't fit inside the potli is inside the box. So let's open up and see one by one. The first product is from the brand Health with Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Body Wash, removes oil and dirt deeply. It is a 200 ml product, and the Health with Charcoal range of products are pretty famous. They also have a charcoal mask. So this is my first ever body wash with charcoal. So that's pretty interesting. This is priced at rupees 225. Like charcoal, let me sniff it. It has a very perfume, kind of a male perfume fragrance. Yeah, that is exactly a very musky male perfume kind of fragrance, something that I actually like. So I'm looking forward to using this. So this is the first product in the box. The second product that I have here is a sample. It is a deluxe sample from Nature's Co. It is the Fuller's Earth Face Pack, and this is how it looks like. It smells exactly how you would smell a Multani Mitti pack, just like that. Very natural fragrance, and this is the texture. You don't have to apply anything like water or anything, just apply onto face. It is from the earthbound category. It is 35 ml. It's especially manufactured for Vanity Cask. And let's see what they have written about it. So how you have to apply, how you have to use, everything is very well written in this paper. It says 350 ml is at 2195. You are getting 35 ml. Main ingredients are provitamin B5, vitamin E, kaolin clay, vegetable glycerin, and Fuller's Earth. It will be suitable for all skin. The second product, and I love experimenting with new face masks, so definitely it's my favorite. The third product that we have here is from Votre or Votua. I think it's Votua. We have an under eye cream, 10 gram of the product. Now, I was wondering where the information card and everything is, but the info card came separately. A refreshing, soothing and clarifying organic toner, contains fresh rose water, witch hazel, hibiscus infused water. Witch hazel is extremely good if you have open pores, so this will be like a pore minimizer toner as well. I really like the fragrance and also the dropper bottle. It's convenient. It is not very like aesthetically pleasing, but very convenient to use. And the full size is 80 ml. That is like almost 3 times, and the price is 1250, which means this will easily cost around 300 rupees. I think we have already covered way past the price of the box, so that's good. Okay, so you can apply to cotton wool and wipe gently upwards during day and night, follow with a moisturizer, just like how you use a toner. And the last product that we have here is from Blissent. It is the hot chocolate lip butter. It comes with a spill proofing, and this is how it looks like. It smells exactly like chocolate, So I wish this was a tongue butter, so then I can apply directly onto my tongue. It's smelling amazing, just like chocolate. I really like the fragrance. And at the back side, the ingredient list is mentioned: cocoa, beeswax, cocoa powder, coconut oil, olive oil, shea, sweet almond oil, 5 grams and 150 rupees. It has an expiry of 6 months. Okay, that's pretty good. So this is the last product in the box. So these are the 5 products that you will be receiving in your Vanity Cask January, the New You edition. Now that's about the gift or the irresistible offer that I was talking about. We'll check that out. But before that, I'm just going to say what I feel about the box. I think considering we have 2 full-size products and also some unique products, I ended up liking Vanity Cask box this time. The total cost is definitely, like the total worth is definitely way above the price of the box. Really like the packaging, and I am excited to try the under eye cream, the toner and the charcoal body wash. So I think it's a good deal. And now we'll check what makes it even a better deal. The next product is from Votwe or Votwa, I think it's Votwa. It is an under eye cream. You are getting 10 gram of the product and it smells amazing. The fragrance is too good, and this is how the texture looks like butter. And it does come with all the details. It comes with this paper, so that is a good thing. All the details mentioned here, the full ingredient list, and more about the brand Votwa, and the principles: PETA certified, BUAV certified, cruelty free, tested, vegetarian, paraben free, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested, a lot of things. And the full ingredient list is also mentioned here. So I really appreciate this bit of info card with this, because usually sometimes we don't get enough information with these such small tubs, and that makes me very upset. And also the card here, it talks about how you have to massage it, and the key ingredients, quantity, everything. Full size product is okay, so this is a full size product. Okay, so this is the second full size product here. It is 1,760 rupees for 10 gram. Wow, that's great. Okay, so that's a very expensive full size product here. This is the second full sized one. Okay, now moving on to the next product we have from the brand Gulnair. It is the Rosé Clarifying Toner, 30 ml, and this is not the pouring type, but this is how the bottle looks like. So it is pretty convenient to use. You can just remove the cap and then, apply onto your body, and it must be smelling amazing. Yeah, it smells like British rose, yeah, something of that sort. So the cap is very convenient, because then you don't have to pour it out completely. This was the surprise or the offer that I was talking about. This is the Vanity Cask website. As you can see, if you subscribe for 3 months, then you will receive the Thalgo set worth 3,910 completely free. And this is the set that we have here. So if you go for 3 months, you will get this. And if you're going for a 6-month subscription, then you will receive the Thalgo set plus an additional month free. That is, the 7th month will be completely free for you. Now coming to Thalgo, it is a French brand. It's a luxury brand. They have their products listed on Amazon, and they're very expensive. The most expensive product is around 54,000. It's a French brand, a luxury brand, and in India, the products are not cheaply available. So in this Thalgo Discovery set, we have 4 products, 2 15 ml products and 2 30 ml samples. And Thalgo is the leading global luxury skincare brand from France, recommended by leading spas and salons. They have their marine technology that is being developed, which you can, when you sniff the products, you know that this an aquatic fragrance is very predominant. And these are retail size products which are travel friendly in size. So you can check out Vanity Cask website for more details. So this is how the packaging of the kit is. It's like a very convenient and cute packaging. And at the back side, all the product details and everything is mentioned. So the first 2 products, the 30 ml ones, are the Deeply Nourishing Body Cream and the Marine Shower Gel. This one smells exactly like an aquatic shower gel. Very, very beautiful fragrance. Something reminiscent of the David of Cool Water perfume. And these 2 15 ml samples, we have a Hydra Marine 24-hour cream, and we have a serum, Hydra Marine 15 ml serum. So these are the 4 products, and the total worth is 3,910. So basically, if you go for a 3-month subscription, you will receive 3 months products, all the 3 months boxes, and on top of that, you will be receiving the Thalgo set as well. So that is like, for 3 months, you will usually pay $9.99 into 3, but the 3 months subscription is already at a discounted rate. It is at $2,499. So on top of that, you will be receiving the Thalgo also. So that is how the offer works, and that is what I said. It is a very irresistible offer. So yeah, that's it about Vanity Cask for the month of January. Overall, it's a good box. We have 3 full-size products: a body wash, a lip butter, and the eye cream. And we have 2 luxury samples from Nature's Co and Gulnair, and then we have the Thalgo set, which is like for 3 months. So that is everything about the Vanity Cask. So let me know how you guys like the box, whether you'd be interested in purchasing, how you find the box, and how you find the products. This is my first ever Vanity Cask, and I find it to be quite interesting. So let me know what you guys think of this video. So we will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.